Dude, that puts my truck to shame.
You got that? Right. No, he got that money shot of the car from the front, dude. She pushes mad volume.
Oh, this thing reeks.
Bro! No, it's smoking.
Just torching.
You go out and you spend 10 grand for a plow truck when you could just get a Subaru Forester.
Wait. Oh no. Oh, we're getting a ticket. Give it a good one. Oh, it's not like the fit. Oh no.
There it is. Shotgun.
Dude, my buddy Ryan wants this thing so fucking bad.
Oh, dude, she's for sale.
I know.
I'm out plowing tonight, though.
Bro, just bought the Forester for fucking plowing lows. Dude, how is that winch not ripped through the fucking hood? Dude, even got the remote. That is fucking awesome. Dude, that puts my truck to shame.
That is a fucking rig. 1998 Forester, a little bit of rot, a little bit of whatever. It smells like shit on the inside. There's a bunch of mouse shit. Crackhead owned it. It was missing a window, but I put a new one in from the junkyard. We got the winch mounted right on the hood. It's a really strong earth magnet. Dude, I got a honey bun, dude. You want a bite? Nothing but the best for my girl. 87. I'm letting her eat. I gotta eat, dude. We gotta get ready for the fucking big snowstorm. Blizzard, baby.
Don't hit my fucking house.
Is there a mailbox?
It's not lit on fire yet, though.
Dude, I don't want the plow to fall off, go under the car. The winch is still going to be connected, and I don't even know what the f*** is going to happen at that point.
Oh, this thing reeks.
Does it?
I can't smell anything.
What does it reek of?
Right into the street.
This is my first client here. Backing her in. Got to get it nice and f***ing straight. We're going to plow her out real quick so these people can go to work in the morning. All right, so pretty much all you do, you turn the f***ing winch on here, buddy. Send her on down. She's good to go.
Wait, did it work though? The results aren't bad.
You don't hit it once, do you? You hit it twice, you know what I mean? Luckily, our second client is right next door. This is the third client of the night. Well, technically, I did my own driveway, but I don't get paid for it.
What are you gonna do with that thing?
This bitch is dreamy.
What are you gonna do with this thing?
We're gonna back
drag a little bit, and I'll back in.
Let's see it.
Where'd you get this plow from?
Cabela's. Alright, no.
You got it. Why are you dragging backwards?
I'm not, dude.
Backwards. Oh,
That's the fucking frame, you j***s. Their fucking driveway sucks. Dude. Look at the, dude, I literally plowed with the frame. This is gonna do nothing.
It's leaking something that's burning on the exhaust.
Get in the car, dude. It's not on fire.
Bro!
No, it's smoking.
Just torching!
It's smoking.
The wipers still work mint, dude. It's fine. I ain't inspecting shit, dude. Should I take care of their fucking drive-thru?
No, this is the definition of liability.
Don't hit the curb, don't hit the curb.
Well, if I hit it, it's their fucking liability.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Good. What can I get you today?
Can we do like two or three separate orders since you guys don't got anyone behind us?
We can do 2.
We're gonna just drive back around and get the third order in. Can I get 2 beefy 5-layer burritos, 2 chicken chipotle melts, and 2 loaded nacho tacos?
We don't have chicken.
What does that mean? For the chicken melts?
Holy f***, AJ, you fat ass. You don't need those.
Dude, I need them, dude.
Save some money, you're good.
Dude,
That'll be good.
no, that's not fucking good. 10 minutes for chicken?
Yeah.
I don't got time for that. Can I get 1 more beefy 5-layer and another nacho taco, dude? That's fucking $10 right there, dude. You got one thing? 2. There's gonna be 5 nacho tacos altogether.
Loaded nacho tacos.
Loaded.
Can I complete your order today?
Yeah, that's it for the first
Any
one.
sauce packets?
Mild.
Mild and a bunch of fire.
Just eat.
$18 worth of food!
Dude, it's not that much. It's 16.
We're not eating if he ain't going back around.
Can I get a tap water too, please?
Can I get one too? What the f the manager want?
It's because you're swearing into the mic.
I don't care, dude. It's snowing out. Dude, these are BP5. It hasn't been 10 minutes.
Yeah, AJ, you got screwed out of the chicken.
They said 10 minutes, dude. Did they go with fire sauce? They had chicken for you somehow. That's some.
What are you eating right now?
Delicious.
Are you plowing the street?
Foiling, boys.
You got that?
Alright.
No, he got that money shot of the car from the front, dude. She pushes mad volume.
I made $185 plus tips, and this 90-year-old lady gave me a bar of chocolate.
Don't come near my driveway.
Oh,
Why?
we're coming.
Don't come near my driveway.
Why?
Oil. Right by his
I smell
driveway.
it.
Flowers
Oil
Road, baby.
I don't have to pay anyone anymore, dude.
I already paid someone.
Daddy's home. Daddy's home.
Yeah, Daddy's home, brother. Daddy's home.
Daddy's home. I'm coming home. I had a great idea of putting a plow on a Forester. You gotta help out your family and whatnot, or whatever. Your boys need their driveways plowed. I bought this Forester for $400. It's a 1998 automatic 4-cylinder. It's a dual cam NA, which is like a really shitty motor. They're f***ing horrible. But on my ride home, it was like running on 2 cylinders. It smelled like death. The driver's side window was already blown out of the thing, and my eyes were still on fire from the heat, but I couldn't turn the heat off because it was so cold, so I had to put all the windows down. Luckily, I made it back into Torrington. It kind of wouldn't drive anymore, so my friend Chatty had to come bring me spark plugs and wires, and boom, it was good to go. I bought the car for $400. I bought the plow at Cabela's for $400, like $413 or something like that. It's for a quad or UTV. You can make the plow either 60 inches or 72 inches. I did 72 inches. It can rotate, but you have to do it manually, but I don't really give a f. I bought the winch for like $58 at Harbor Freight. The wires and plugs cost me about $100. So altogether, if you add it up, it's a little bit shy of $1,000 for the whole, like, drop plow, plow your driveway, plow your friends, plow your moms, plow your buddies, plow whoever you want to plow out. You can slap a dildo on the front of it. You can do whatever the f you want. It's your plow. And like, dude, you drive around in a Forester with a f***ing plow on it. Everyone and their mom wants to This thing sits in front of my house, dude. My mailman loves this f***ing thing. You go out and you spend 10 grand for a plow truck when you could just get a Subaru Forester and put that on. Forester, you want to get in the front of me, dude?